literally had no sleep. Like, I did not go to sleep for even a minute. But, yeah. It's fucking windy. Like, literally, when I was doing work, because it's basically why I fucking stayed up. Literally, I just fucking heard, like, my fucking bin going off. And it turns out, it's one of the bins that fell down. And then somehow, what's it called? All the other bins somehow didn't. Which is crazy. Cause like it's fucking heavy, for fuck's sake. But yeah. I'm just like fixing up the bins for collections. Yeah, I didn't film only because and other reasons. But yeah, I only have a picture. But yeah, I'm not gonna film today. Sorry, I'm just gonna, you know. All I'm gonna do is just fucking relax because I have to do work anyway. Well, school. Yeah, see, I can't remember. But yeah, school. Actually, boy, it's gonna be fucked up. But yeah, that's how it is. Bye bye.